Good day, sir. Welcome to Shai Hotel. I'm Lawrence, your personal butler while you're staying at our hotel. May I have your luggage, sir? Yes, please. Sir, please follow me on our receptionist area. Mr. Brian, this is Mr. Jess. Mr. Jess, may I have our reception? Sir, this is our reservation. Please sign. Thank you. Mr. Jess, may I have your key card? Sir, this is your key card. Your room will be on 305 at 3rd floor. Sir, please follow me on our elevator. Sir, this is the way of your room. Please follow me. Sir, may I borrow your key card?
Yes, please.
Sir, to open your door, please just scan the key card. It will be open. Sir, please enter our room. Sir, the use of this key card is to open our appliances and the lights. Sir, please follow me on our bathroom. If you enter our bathroom, you have a bathtub and you have sink with toilet bowl and other amenities in this bathroom. Sir, please follow me in our bedroom. Sir, this is your personal bed. This bed is always yours. You have 2 pillows and 1 bed sheet. In this case, sir, you have a telephone and your mirror for your workplace. You have a own TV, 32 inches. Do you have aircon fully condition? Sir, if you have a problem, press 1 for housekeeping, press 2 for our maintenance, press 3 for our housekeeping. Sir, may I help you to unpack your luggage?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. Please call me if you have your problem. Thank you for staying. Have a blessed day.